viewers, this is Carhartt, AKG, and
Leucetios.
And yours truly, Cupki, with Toy Key and
Sweet Key, apparently.
Yep. And today, this is part 2 of the Five Nights at Freddy's unboxing. And, of course, let's see what we will probably get today. This is the one we did before, part 1. And
we have 3 of these. And we also have got an edition of Glow in the Dark Five Nights at Freddy's.
Which, of course, it's, well, Cupki.
Don't blame Cupki for your craziness.
But
anyway,
it's a lovable.
I know. That.
And these will come, once we start unboxing these, I will tell you what we would probably get in the back of it. Okay?
Yes, anyway. And of course, we also have 2 sister location boxes as well.
Which I think is kind of cool, and we wanted to try to do something a little bit different.
So, I guess to be fair, we'll start with the Five Nights at Freddy's.
The first classic ones.
Classic ones, of course. Okay, I have
Toy Cake. Come on. I really love you so much. But...
It's exactly what you think it is, honey.
Did I just spoil it? Did I just jinx it again?
Yes.
Oh my god!
And yes, it is a 3rd final cupcake.
Oh my god! Viewers, whoa! Jeez. Oh my god. Cupki, you are lovable. You know that? You are. But it looks like you are so bloody popular. 3 little you. Yeah. 3 little you. But we love you. Cupki, I can't even believe you just said something and you were not even that surprised. Oh, guess I'll put the other cutie pies together. Cupki is the star of the show, so he would...
Any more crazy, we have to call him Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
That... Oh my god. Cupki would not allow that.
No.
No.
Yuki, Lukey, and Dookie.
I'm sorry, viewers. I don't know what Leo is saying, but it's just... I don't know. You are something.
Here.
Well, let's see what we get.
Yeah.
What the... Yeah! This is really, really weird all of a sudden.
I mean, seriously, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figures that we've never had before. And, in case you're wondering, yes, it's a 3rd balloon boy.
I said it before, viewers, in the first part. You would never know what you'll probably get as soon as you open it. You might be lucky, or you may not. If you get repeats, well, I don't think it would be a problem, but at least you know it's all collectible. But I'll put these with the triplets of cupcakes. Oh, good grief. Oh my god!
Those ears? This is a... Oh.
What is?
I think this might be a Chica.
Well, we don't really know which one.
I mean, it doesn't feel like any of the other ones have ever felt before.
Well, before we would continue, which would you place your bet? Which Chica would you think would be
I'm going to go with Toy Chica.
I'm going to say regular Chica. Probably because just in case if it's not a toy version.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what we get. Which animatronic we will get. And it's... I know I'm gonna say this, but Cupki, are you gonna say something?
Yeah, what is it?
I have good news.
What's that?
Well, one of the news, it's not going to be of another Cupki, even though you already know that.
Yeah, I know.
But you could take another guess. What do you think we have?
Let me guess. Is it the toy game? That's okay. Chica? Toy Chica?
probably would guess it, yeah. But let's just say if it wasn't a toy, Chica.
So it's just classic Chica?
Well, and indeed I was right. It's Chica! Aren't you happy that you get?
Was that toy Chica that came us around though?
No, it's regular Chica. Say hi to your little friend, your little partner. Oh, Cupki, you are not feeling amused.
No, I'm not.
Oh, but aren't you just happy at least?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you are lovable. You know that?
Yeah, we know.
So I guess
you want sister location or you want to do the glow in the darks?
I would say glow in the dark finale.
Oh, finale for glow in the dark? Okay.
Yeah. So let's start with the newest box, which we have for each of us. Now, like I said before, you might. So this is a new box we picked up from yesterday, and since I wanted to try something different, you would get between, I would say, a Nightmare Freddy, Nightmare Foxy, there's Baby, Golden Freddy, and yours truly, there, Nightmare Cupki. There's the Withered Bonnie, Withered Chica, Withered Bonnie, Ennard, Funtime Freddy, there's like Mangle, but not like a nightmare version of Mangle, Nightmare, Balloon Boy, Springtrap, Funtime Foxy, and of course Nightmare Puppet. So I would pretty much guess. You go take the first open.
I'm guessing this is Withered Bonnie.
Your actual guess. Is that your final?
Yeah, it's my final guess. Do you want to try?
Yeah, let's see what this would feel like. Well, I do feel like a mechanical section. So let's see, and it's... Wait, you said Withered Bonnie.
Yeah.
But I know there's different versions of Bonnie.
Well, there's the Withered Bonnie, and there's the one with like their mechanical face open.
So which one would pick?
Mine's the one that's not exclusive, that one.
Okay, that's what you thought it was. Yep. It's pretty much... Just gonna feel a little prickly there. Yep. I think there's like little Withered Nightmare... Yeah, it's Nightmare Bonnie. Pretty cool looking.
Yep.
Little glowing beady eyes. I'll put that next to Chica. So I guess I'm the one who has to open my box and see what... Getting Cupki. You and your beady eyes are just staring at the viewers. You love them. Let's see. And of course... Oh, Cupki. I know you love me. Okay, I'm feeling feet, but this one on the top, it feels kind of similar to...
You want me to?
You want to open it since I opened...
Let's see.
I'm thinking it's Balloon Boy. That's my guess.
The way he's structured, yeah, I have to agree, it feels like a Balloon Boy.
Because I think I feel something from the top.
Yep.
Like...
Ready?
And I can show the comparisons of the two.
Actually, no, it is Chica.
What the heck? I was wrong?
Yeah, apparently that's the 3 little feathers on top of her head.
I didn't even notice. I thought it was like... Oh my god. Huh. Holy mackerel. This is what it is, viewers. Oh my god.
Yep, you got
I got another Chica. And yours truly right there. Cupki. Oh,
yep.
God. Oh my god. Nightmare Chica. So I got Nightmare Bonnie and Nightmare Chica. Oh my god.
Okay.
Like,
yeah.
That face.
I'll let you have the one I already opened.
God. So now, yours truly, it is the finale. and
of the
glow in the dark. And pretty much I would have to say it's kind of like the previous box. What's the other box?
What? Oh.
Just as I could speak of the comparison.
It's similar, but there are...
It's similar. I mean, compare to like how the original looks, it might look similar to the glow in the dark. I think the only difference I see in the two is that I see mango. Mm-hmm. There's mango on the bottom. So, I guess, who's going to go first?
Well, I guess I'll go. Do you want to go first or me?
You already got the bag open, did you?
No, I haven't opened it yet.
You go open it. Well, actually,
okay.
When you take a guess, what do you think it might be?
I believe this one's going to be Chica.
Oh.
I don't think it's Balloon Boy because he doesn't have the balloon.
So you think it's going to be the glow-in-the-dark Chica?
I do. Ready?
Let's see.
And it is glow-in-the-dark Chica.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Wow, 3 Chicas in a row today. Am I just that lucky or what?
Yep. So, do you want to open yours?
Yep. Stay tuned for the last of the finale, for the last boxing today. Let's see if I get lucky. And Cupki, hold still, you little cupcake. I know you love me too much. You always do.
Yeah. I'm in the cheese.
You're something. So let's see. I'm feeling... I don't feel like any kind of feathers or nothing. I do feel like sharp.
How do you feel?
You take a feel. See what it feels.
Smooth.
It feels smooth on the top, but
Looks like the mannequin.
You think it's the puppet?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if you're right. God, these bags are having a hard time opening. They're great.
Yep.
Let's see. And it's... Yes, it is. Oh, God, it looks creepy. It's creepy.
Yep, well dark. Mannequin.
Marionette, a.k.a. puppet. God, it just looks creepy.
So, yeah, now we have
a little creepy.
An extra Balloon Boy, an extra cupcake. Well, at least the ones after that were new, but that's only because, well, they've been boxed at that point.
Well, like I've said it before, you would never know what you'll get.
Yeah, you probably wish you had another cupcake. Maybe you'll call it glow cake.
That would be for next time, viewers, if that would happen.
And then if you got the sister location, probably call it night cake. Or nightmare cake.
Oh, God.
Or cake mirror.
We're having so many puns for Cupkeys. For his little mini versions.
Yep.
Oh, God, but we love him. We love you, Cupkey. God, it's so cute.
Yeah, I love you, girl.
So, if you like what you see, viewers, you give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned, well, for part 3. If
you spend more money on these things, buy you another cupcake.
We'll see, Cupkey. We'll see. Well, this is yours truly, Chikara Heart, a.k.a. Chi, and...
Leucetios.
And yours truly, Cupkey. You sure pretty much are in a good mood.
Yep. Got my chicas.
You have 3 of them.
Yep.
I wonder which one would be your favorite. Regular Chica, Nightmare Chica, or the glow-in-the-dark Chica?
Well, if I'm in the night, might be glow-in-the-dark. If I don't feel like being, anything too scary, I'll be regular Chica. If I want someone to scare off the bad peoples, I would name it Chicas.
And let me guess, Cupkey, you probably would think Cupkeys will rule the world.
Yep.
With your sweetness?
Yep.
Or is it your nightmare version?
Oh, probably with sweetness. I rule the days, you rule the nights.
But you know you and him are one and the same, right?
Yep. Oh, that's right.
You are something, Cupkey, you know that, but we love you.
Yep.
How many times have I just said that?
Let's see, but 7 or so today?
Oh, you are something. Bye, viewers.
Bye.
You too, Cupki.